Baron French of Castle French in the County of Galway is a title in the Peerage of Ireland created in 1798 for Rose, Lady French. She was the widow of Charles French, who had been created a baronet of Castle French in County Galway in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1779. Their son Thomas succeeded in both the baronetcy and barony. Both titles have descended via primogeniture to the present baron. The title and the family name are both spelled with a lowercase f. French baronets of Castle French, 1779. Sir Charles French, 1st Baronet, died 1784. Sir Thomas French, 2nd Baronet, c. 1765-1814, succeeded as Baron French in 1805. Barons French, 1798. Rose French, 1st Baroness French, died 1805. Thomas French, 2nd Baron French, c. 1765-1814. Charles Austin French, 3rd Baron French, 1786-1860. Thomas French, 4th Baron French, 1810-1892. Martin Joseph French, 5th Baron French, 1813-1893. Charles Austin Thomas Robert John Joseph French, 6th Baron French, 1868-1955. Peter Martin Joseph Charles John French, 7th Baron French, 1926-1986. Robic John Peter Charles Mario French, 8th Baron French, born 1956. There is no heir to the title. Notes. References. Kelly's Handbook to the Titled, Landed, and Official Classes, London, 1903, page 515. Kidd, Charles, and Williamson, David, editors, Debrett's Peerage and Baronetage, St. Martin's Press, New York City, 1990. Mosley, Charles, Burke's Peerage and Baronetage, 106th edition, Crans, Switzerland, 1999, ISBN 2-940085-021 vol.1, page 535, Cayley, and page 1057, French. Lee Raymond's Peerage Pages.